Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Alazon in Greek comedy. Definition: the term Alazon refers to a stock character in Greek comedy known for being boastful and arrogant. This character type is characterized by exaggerated self-importance and often serves as a foil to other characters in the play. The Alazon's arrogance and pretentiousness are typically used to create humor and highlight human folly. Historical context: in ancient Greek theatre, the Alazon was a common figure frequently depicted to generate laughter through his over-the-top self-promotion and grandiose claims. This character type is often paired with Iron, a clever and understated character, creating a dynamic that fuels the comedic conflict and irony within the play. The Alazon's excessive pride and boastfulness make him a target for ridicule and a central figure in the comedic narrative. Examples in Greek comedy: the Alazon's role in Greek comedy can be best understood through its contrast with the Iron. The Iron typically exposes the Alazon's pretensions and boasts, leading to comedic situations where the Alazon's self-image is deflated. This interplay not only provides entertainment but also serves as a social commentary on the dangers of hubris and the value of humility and wit. The Alazon in Plautus: one of the most notable examples of the Alazon in Roman adaptations of Greek comedy is the character of Miles Gloriosus in Plautus's play of the same name. Miles Gloriosus, or the braggart soldier, is a quintessential Alazon, whose exaggerated tales of bravery and heroism are a key source of humor. His character embodies the boastful soldier archetype, and his absurd claims are continually undermined by the other characters, leading to comic scenarios that expose his true cowardice and foolishness. The Alazon in Molière: in the realm of French theatre, Molière's Tartuffe stands out as a prominent Alazon character. Tartuffe's hypocrisy and pretentiousness derive the play's humor and its critique of social pretensions and false piety. Tartuffe presents himself as a pious and devout man, but his actions reveal his true nature as a deceitful and manipulative hypocrite. Molière uses Tartuffe's character to satirize the gullibility of those who are easily deceived by outward appearances and to highlight the importance of genuine virtue over pretentious displays of morality. The Alazon in Shakespeare: in English literature, Shakespeare's character Falstaff is often considered an Alazon. Falstaff's braggadocio, love of revelry, and larger-than-life personality provide comic relief in plays such as Henry IV and The Merry Wives of Windsor. Falstaff's boasts about his exploits and his self-aggrandizing behavior are consistently shown to be hollow, and his character serves as a vehicle for Shakespeare's critique of excess, cowardice, and the gap between appearance and reality. Conclusion: the Alazon character is a timeless figure in comedy, whose exaggerated arrogance and pretentiousness continue to resonate with audiences. From ancient Greek comedy to the works of Plautus, Molière, and Shakespeare, the Alazon's enduring presence in literature underscores the universal appeal of poking fun at human arrogance and hypocrisy. Through this character, playwrights have been able to explore and satirize the flaws and follies that are inherent in human nature, making the Alazon a vital and enduring element of comedic storytelling. So this was the discussion on the character of Alazon in Greek comedy. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.